What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we have got the Tozo NC3, a pair of earbuds promising a mix of high-tech features and everyday reliability. Whether it's long battery life, immersive sound or smart noise cancellation, the NC3 seems to cover it all. Well, as usual, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Sound performance on the Tozo NC3 impresses with its 12mm dynamic drivers, delivering punchy bass and detailed highs. Paired with TOZO Bass Acoustic Technology, the sound profile energizes bass-heavy tracks like EDM or hip-hop. The TOZO application takes things up a notch, offering 32 preset equalizer modes that enable fine-tuning or sound preferences or switching between various styles. The application also provides controls for noise cancellation, transparency mode, reduce wind noise, leisure mode, normal mode, and even a custom pattern for personalized ANC levels. Customized EQ settings can also be shared in the equalizer zone, making the application a versatile tool for both casual listening and studio-grade adjustments. Well, I must mention that Tozo NC3, considering its price, has a very wide soundstage and delivers a very good immersive sound quality. And as the earbuds comes with different set of very good quality ear tips, the earbuds actually get a very good passive noise cancellation through the tight seal that the ear tips offer, and the ear tips are truly very comfortable. Well, let's talk about the noise cancellation performance. The Tozo NC3 features hybrid active noise cancellation, reducing ambient noise by up to 45 dB, whether in a noisy cafe or a busy restaurant. These earbuds effectively block distractions, ensuring music or calls remain clear. The built-in 6 microphone system enhances this with real-time adjustments to maintain an optimal balance of tranquility and comfort. Transparency mode is another thoughtful addition. With just a quick switch, external sounds can filter in, allowing for quick conversations or safety during outdoor activities. This dynamic blend of noise cancellation and transparency ensures the NC3 adapts seamlessly to different environments. Okay, the battery performance of the Tozo NC3 is a standout feature. With ANC turned off, playback lasts 13 hours on a single charge, extended to 55 hours with the charging case. Even with ANC on, there's 9.5 hours of listening time, with the case boosting it to 40 hours. A quick 10-minute charge provides an hour of playback, ensuring no downtime during a busy day. This extended battery life, combined with fast charging, makes the NC3 reliable for long trips, workouts, or work days. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, the Tozo NC3 ensures a fast and stable connection, even at longer ranges. The low latency mode makes this pair of earbuds an excellent choice for gaming and streaming. Audio and visuals remain perfectly synchronized, providing an immersive entertainment experience. Whether it's an action-packed movie or an intense gaming session, the NC3 delivers without delays or interruptions. Usually, I talk about design and durability at the beginning, but this time with this Tozo NC3, I'm actually super excited, super satisfied with its performance, so I forgot to talk about design, build quality and appearance. Well, let's check that now. The Tozo NC3 combines sleek design with practical durability. With an IPX8 waterproof rating, these earbuds are safe from sweat and water, making them suitable for workouts or outdoor activities. The charging case features an HD display that provides clear, real-time battery levels for both the earbuds and the case. Lightweight and comfortable, the NC3 offers long-term wearability without compromising on style or resilience. And once I put the earbuds inside my ear groove, well, whatever I do, they're not gonna drop off. What I had to do is to make sure that I am using the right sized ear tips. Look at this. They're still here. Kudos to Tozo. I have left a link to this Tozo NC3 in the description box. So go ahead and check it out. But before you go, remember, Tozo, just for good sound. This product embodies an innovation that surrounds everyday life with tech around you. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.